Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Kirsten from Redfield Crafts. Today is Wednesday, April 28th. I think that's what today is. Just wanted to hop on real quick just to show you guys a couple of the things that I finished. One of the whips that I just started last night, and something I found at Hobby Lobby. It's nothing much, it's nothing big, it's nothing exciting, so don't be too excited. But yeah, first things, I'm doing this video now. This video probably won't come out until tomorrow, Thursday, the 29th of April, 2021. Only because today has been a bit of a rough day for us here in Texas. It has been, the weather has been bad. So all last night we were in a tornado watch and warning, and then this morning we were in a flood watch because like the road in front of our house was completely flooded. Like I couldn't even see the road. The water level was coming up into our yard. Let's just say that I did not take my kids to the bus stop. I drove them all the way to school, which normally takes about 5 minutes to drive to the school. Today it took us 25 minutes. Only because every way that we went, the road was completely flooded over from the river, so we had to turn around and go an alternate route. But we managed it. We got the kids to school safely, got home safely, and so yeah, just wanted to do this video before it starts storming again in a little bit, because we're supposed to get a second wave later. So I just wanted to get this video done and out of the way and all that stuff. So that's why I look the way I look. So first thing, I finished 3 things since my last video. 2 of them are basically the exact same thing. It's just one's bigger than the other. But my niece wanted me to make her a new hat and scarf set for this Christmas, and she wanted it the same pattern that I used for her previous one. It's just those ones are getting too small for her, so she wanted bigger sizes. So my husband actually picked out this yarn. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's the I Love This Yarn print in the color Daydreamer. So I had 3 balls of this. I don't know where the other label went, but yeah. So the first thing I made for her, here is the yarn. This is the color of the yarn. Look at those colors. I love this color. I love this colorway. It just like, it reminds me of like mermaids, and then it reminds me of like Disney princesses because it's so kind of like pastel-y. But now it goes that way. But this is my pattern, but there's also, you can find this pattern anywhere. Basically, a bunch of people have done it. All it is a shell stitch in an infinity scarf. Where is my seam so I can put this on? Ah, there it is. So, I made this big enough for her to wrap twice, so nice little cowl. Doesn't really look good on me right now because it's a little small in my hair. But yeah, super soft. I'm sure once I wash this, it's going to be even more luscious. But yeah, this was for my little niece. And then she wanted a hat to match it. So what did I do? I made her a shell stitch beanie to match the hat, or to match the scarf. So yeah, that's it right there. Love it. Simple, easy. I do have tutorials for both of these patterns on my channel, and I will leave a link to each of them down below if you guys are interested in them. So to make this hat and scarf set, I used about 1.5 to 1 3/4 skein. So almost 2 full balls of yarn to make both of these. Not bad, considering each ball contain 252 yards in each. So if you plan on making the same pattern or, you know, shell stitch scarf or beanie, and you use like Hobby Lobby's yarn, go up a hook size. This yarn recommends a 5.5, but I used a 6 or a J crochet hook to make both the beanie and the scarf. So that's that. And then my daughter loved that yarn so much that she wanted a shell stitch scarf too. So I made a second one for her. Now hers is a lot bigger because this one used one full ball and the remainder from whatever I didn't use for making the hat and scarf set for my niece. So this is what my daughter's looks like. And obviously hers is a lot bigger and it even fits me. But she loves it. She cannot wait to wear it during the summer or during next winter. She actually wanted to keep it now and wear it, but when I finished making it, the weather that day was like 90 degrees and I was like, no, you don't need to wear a scarf. It is too hot. So yeah, those are the only things that I have finished this week. Sorry, cat. My yarn room is a mess. I have stuff cluttered all around me and I really need to clean this room up. I've just been so busy, I just haven't had time to. So, next thing I'm going to show you is my, not the only whip, I guess I have a couple others, but this is the one that I really want to work on, so this is what I'm putting all of my focus into right now. And it is the reason why I went to Hobby Lobby today actually. Just got back not too long ago. But I am making a Christmas tree skirt for my sister for this Christmas. I asked her a while ago what colors she normally uses to decorate her tree, and she said she does like a light blue, silver, white type of deal. Sorry, my cat is in here. Let's see, actually, there he is. He always comes in here with me. Don't mind the toilet, I forgot to close the bathroom door, but he always likes to come in here with me whenever I have the door open, and if the dog is outside or in the kennel. Anyways, so I'm making her I am making her a Christmas tree skirt, and I am following the pattern by Jayda InStitches for her Christmas tree skirt. Excuse me. I will leave a link down below to that tutorial if you guys are interested. I'll show you the yarn I'm using first. So all of the yarn that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby. So the blue that I'm using is called Soft Blue. So just a nice like baby blue. And then since there isn't like a silver kind of color, really yarn color, I am using, what color is this? Light gray. So it's very pale gray. I thought that that would look good with the blue. And then I wanted to add a little sparkle, so I'm using, I love this yarn metallic in the color white. So it's just white yarn with like a silver sparkle thread going through it. So I'm blowing out. There you go. So those are the colors I am using for her Christmas tree skirt. And I'm going to show you guys how far I've gotten so far. So this is as far as I've gotten. And as you can see, like, it doesn't look like it's white sparkly yarn. It just looks like white yarn. But if I hold it up close, you guys can see the little shimmer and sparkle in it. So yeah, it looks really pretty in person. If I can get a good picture of it, I will insert a picture right here of this Christmas tree skirt so far. So what I'm going to do is I am just alternating the white in between the solid colors. So got the blue, then the silver white, gray, silver white, and then it's going to go blue, and so on and so forth until it is as long as I would like it. And I am using a 6mm crochet hook, just like Jayda uses in her tutorial. So I don't know if y'all can see that. J 6mm. So because I wasn't gonna have enough of the white sparkle, because I only got one ball at the time. I went back today because it is their 30% off week and got 3 more balls of the sparkle, and they were on sale for $3.49 each. So 3 more of them. Right there. Look at that sparkle. I'm hoping that this is enough. I think it will be, but yeah, that is what I got at Hobby Lobby. Now, at my Hobby Lobby, against the, like right behind the fabric, they have their small little clearance section. So every time I go into Hobby Lobby, I go over there first just to see what they have. And most of the time, it's just ribbon that they have on sale and fabric corners. But this time, when I went over there, I found a little surprise. I was really shocked. I'll go this one. I found some Yarn Bee sugar wheels. Just 2 of them though, so don't get too excited. In the color Glazed Donuts. This is a 7-ounce ball, 355 yards, 100% acrylic. Did I tell you the color? It's called Glazed Donuts. I think I did. I found this for $1.75. What? Look at that color. So this is coming out more orange in the camera. It's definitely like a bright coral. Kind of like a watermelon pink almost. There you go, right there. That's the color. That's the true color. Got that one. And then they had a second one. So they had these 2 over there in their clearance section. I was really surprised. I have never seen yarn over there. Granted, I've only been to my Hobby Lobby like 3 or 4 times. But yeah, I was really happy. My first sugar wheels. So, and put them in my collection with my hoard. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some rearranging and make a certain spot for my Hobby Lobby yarn. But yeah, that is what I found at my Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited. Now, I forgot to ask them while I was there when they were going to be doing their big clearance sale, but I'm not really in that big of a rush. So when I start seeing people showing their Hobby Lobby hauls and clearance yarn, I will definitely be heading to my Hobby Lobby, seeing if they have any of theirs on, because I am so excited to participate in that this year. Like a little kid in a candy store. But yeah, that is all that I have today, guys. Not much. I was mostly working on those scarves and hat, and then I was so far behind on my temperature blanket. It's crazy. Like, I hadn't done any for April, but I was marking down like all the temperature of each day. So, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday after I finished the scarves, I started on my catching up on my temperature blanket. All caught up on that, so probably next Monday or Tuesday I will have the April update for you guys on my temperature blanket. Yeah, so that's it. That's all that I have to share with you guys. Again, today that I'm filming, the day that I'm filming today is Wednesday, but this video won't be coming out, wow, I can't talk, until tomorrow, Tuesday. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, a wonderful weekend. Oh, before I go, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you are new and this is your first time viewing my videos, please go ahead. If you like this content and you want to see more, and you haven't already, but hit that subscribe button down below. I don't know which side it's usually on. I think it's this side. Yeah, I don't know. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so that way you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it. That's all that I have. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you all next time.